Is your Asus laptop touchpad not working, leaving you with a missing cursor? Don't panic. Let's go through the most common reasons and quick fixes to get your mouse pointer back. When your touchpad stops working, you lose your primary way to navigate your laptop. This is frustrating, but usually has simple solutions. First, ensure the touchpad isn't accidentally disabled. Many Asus laptops have a function key combination that toggles the touchpad on and off. Next, check your Windows settings. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and finally Touchpad to verify your touchpad is enabled. Make sure the touchpad toggle is turned on, and if you use an external mouse, enable the option to leave the touchpad on when a mouse is connected. If you're using Windows 10, the path is slightly different. Go to Settings, then Devices, and select Touchpad to access the same options. If these simple steps don't work, don't worry. The next section covers more advanced solutions, including driver updates, system updates, and hardware checks to get your touchpad working again. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue is often with your touchpad drivers. Start by updating drivers through Device Manager. For the most reliable drivers, download them directly from the official Asus support website. Look specifically for Intel I2C and Asus Precision Touchpad drivers. Ensure your Windows system is up to date. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click Check for Updates. Sometimes recent updates cause conflicts, but installing the latest updates often resolves these problems. If software fixes don't work, test for hardware issues by booting into BIOS. If the touchpad doesn't work in BIOS, this indicates a hardware problem requiring professional repair. For certain ExpertBook models B3302, B5302, and B5402, Asus has acknowledged a potential hardware issue with the touchpad balance bar. They offer a reinforcement plan and free health checks for affected devices. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most touchpad issues. If problems persist after trying all these solutions, contact Asus support for professional assistance.